Come on, Mike.
Okay, let's enjoy your ride. Hold on, here we go.
Please remain seated in an upright position and keep your arms and legs well inside the train at all times. Thank you, and enjoy your ride on the Sea Serpent. Welcome back. Please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. At that time, your shoulder harnesses will automatically release. Please gather up all belongings and exit to the right and center of the station. Once again, the exit is to the right and center of the station. Thank you for riding the Sea Serpent.